Hello everyone! Good morning! O, diba? Ganda ng morning dito. Yun ang morning. Anyway, so we are now continuing our mural painting here at LU Beach House. So, that's our work in progress. Yan na, diba? And ito yung binase namin kagabi. Yan. Medyo halata pa, diba? So, ayan. And this is the added walls. 1, yan, 2, at saka yung area doon. Yan, 3. So, that's a total of 5 areas. At i-video ko na pala. Yan. Ganda dito, guys. Yan yung kataas ginagawa ni Mahal, guys. Mas kita ngayon umaga. So, ayan. Nandun siya nakaapak doon. So, parang bubong. And yung space nun, and yung pinakataas is kasing tangkad lang niya. See? So, dalawa yan. Ganyang kalaki yung ginagawa po namin ngayon. Yan, pinakita ko lang. Hi, guys!
Hi guys! For today's video. Kulong. Ba't naputin natin dito sa sa camera?
Good evening! At nag-set na po ang araw. Tignan niyo,
Ma'am,
guys.
saan niyo po yung phone?
Hi, mga kamomentum!
Kanina may tao dun sa malayo.
No, multo yarn. So, yan. Nag-set na yung dagat. And, ito na po yung ating mural for the prefab. So, prefab po pala yung tawag dito, mga kamomentum. And you know what? Dito na kami nag-i-stay because we already have a guest for the main house and that's our finished painting for that. So, kuhanan ko to, guys, pag wala na pong guest. Okay, but that's the artwork for the main house. And this is for the prefab or for the sandbox. And then, makikita pa po natin yung iba nating mga mural for tomorrow. But this is it. Pero alam nyo, guys, sobrang ganda niya sa personal. Ayan. Medyo gabi na kasi. But, I'm gonna give you an update again tomorrow. So, ayan, mga kamomentum. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. This is our work in progress. Ang ganda. O, diba? So, this is our work in progress for the second wall that we are doing here at LU Beach House. And this is the first wall. O, diba? Ganda, no? Kukuhanan ko yan. And ito, kanina pa namin ito ginagawa, guys. Di ko lang po masyado ma-vlog. It's because medyo mainit. But, ayan, yan na po yung work in progress natin. Lapitan natin. Nakapa tayo, guys. Yes. Ang ating artist na pogi. Yes, medyo lumiliit yung mata pag sinasabi ang pogi, ah.
Oo, isa pogi.
Sumisingkit eh. Parang si Jose pag sasabi ang pogi. So, look at the detail, guys. Oh, purely hand-painted with love. So, sa mga client po namin, dito sa La Union, in the future, you can go ahead and visit LU Beach House. Kung gusto nyo po makita ng personal yung aming mural painting. And, meron pa po kaming 3 walls, okay, na gagawin. Bukod po dito sa 2 wall na ito. So, ayun lang, guys. I'll update you later. Hello, guys. Good morning. Ito na po yung work in progress natin dito sa shower and comfort room area of our mural painting project here at LU Beach House. So as you can see, we already did the base for this wall and nagde-design na po si Mahal. So take a look. So guys, the theme of this wall is Garden Beach. Okay. So, may beach siya and then may kakaroon din pa po yan ng garden. So, if you will notice as well, the design is continuous even though the wall is parang paganyan. So, paganyan siya, then paganon, tas yan. This is going to be the third wall na ginagawa po natin dito. The first and second wall is already done. I'm gonna show it to you later. And this third wall is going to be second to the last kasi ang walls po na gagawin natin dito ay 4. Yun po yung isa na ginagawan po ni Mai at ni Jen. Nag-i-sketch na po sila and then later kukulayan na din po nila ito. So there, I'm going to show you later the width of these walls. And that's all. I'll be back later, mga ka-momentum. Ito na po yung ginagawa ni Mahal dito sa area na to. Yan. So, this is their coffee area. Na ang design po natin is Weave or Inabel. La Union product. This is Stella. So, ayan. Malalaman niyo po yan once natapos na. And then, the tree house also. Dina-designan po natin. So, may time-lapse ako dyan, guys. I'm gonna show you sa momentum. Ayan. So, this is what we're doing today. Nalimutan ko kung pang ilang araw na natin. But that's what we're doing. I'm gonna update you later. Ayan, guys. So, as you can see, kaka-white lang po namin nitong area na ito. At may design po kasi yan, guys. Makikita din naman yan after this vlog. At nandun na po si Mahal. Ay, no. Ayan. So, that's what we're doing as of the moment. I'll be back later once we already have whips. Alright? Tigan nyo naman. Tirik yung araw. Hindi ko na nga tinitig yung araw. Tinapat ko lang yung cellphone sa araw. Tirik na tirik yung araw. Oh. Si Jan dyan, sa gilid. Si Mai sa harap. Then ako doon sa may hagdan. So, ayun. Sobrang init! Sunset na.
Malastig ka. Sila mesa na kami. Pinunta ko na nga dyan.